was as long as 3 school buses. That would be a fun way to go to school. You can discover more dinosaurs with all your dinosaur train friends at pbskids.org. Now stick around. There's more to explore next.
Things are getting odder and odder.
Something very odd has happened.
As in Odd Squad.
Whoa.
Weekdays on PBS Kids or anytime on the PBS Kids video app.
How to be brave with Microsoft Sam.
Take stock of where you are right now for. Don't try to talk yourself out of the fear. Take responsibility 8. Be willing to fail 13. Do the things that you can do right now 16. Whatever you do, don't give up.
What are the odds? Let's count the odds. Let's count the odds to 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Hello.
You're watching WHY8 PBS in Toronto.